Well, hey guys, this is the first time the two of us have been together for the Plow guys. It's been a while. You having a good summer so far?
Yeah, we could say that.
Yeah, this is Justin's new purchase. It's a 2006. Why don't you tell them about it?
It's a 2006 Chevy Impala X Police Pack.
Police pack. That
Police
means
pack.
it's quick, right?
Goes vroom vroom.
Oh, it goes vroom vroom really
Goes vroom
fast.
vroom.
I took it personally for a test drive, and it's got some good pickup in this thing. So, anyways, it has some modifications that have been done to it, so that it doesn't look so much like a police car. Like, see, we got the SS here, which is not part of the police pack. It was an add-on after.
Because it's not an actual SS.
No, that's right. It only has a 3.9, not a 4.2. And the headlights were changed from the
Police headlights
from the headlights, the original headlights.
Police headlights for the whole thing.
Then, of course, you have the interior, and you can see that it has the police lamp inside for nighttime ticket writing.
Oh, we love those.
But the previous owner did change the headrests to something a little more stylish. The other thing to give away that it was a police car is the antenna hole here, and
The holes in the taillights.
the holes in the taillights. I think you could probably see them, I don't know. Anyways, yeah. So anyways, today what we're doing, the back rotors are a little warped, so we're going to pull them out. We're going to check to make sure that they're the ones, whoops, they're warped. Probably rotate the tires, front to rear, rear to front.
Maybe an oil change.
Oh, you're pushing it a lot now.
I'm
not getting paid for this. This is like all free work.
I know.
You know, there's a garage around the corner.
Yeah, but they cost a lot of money.
Yeah, they do cost a lot of money.
He's happy for me. We both have Chevys.
Yeah,
So we drive the same company.
You
Except
want a muffler like him?
No, he has holes. This is ugly.
Oh, it's just because of holes.
It's funny when I fall, it looks like I'm pulling them over.
What was that story you said when you were coming back? Remember when we were driving home the first time with your car?
Oh, on the freaking boulevard up here. It's behind a person. Just following them in the bumper, doing the speed limit. This person was going slower than the speed limit. And yeah, they just kept checking the mirror every time I was behind them, making sure I wasn't pulling them over or anything. But it's like,
So they thought you were a cop, so
yeah,
they were
thought I
trying
was
to
a
obey
cop.
the speed
Yeah,
limit.
it's like it's a 50 zone, kilometers, not miles. That'd be too quick. And yeah, they're doing about 30 or 40, and I'm like, come on, move, go. I want to have fun with her. I just got her, and I can't get up or go.
So in other words, the pro is when you're on the highway and people pull over to the right to let you pass.
Moses parted the Red Sea, I'm parting the car seat.
Right.
That's awesome.
And the con is when you're on little back roads and
damn
people
slow.
and they do the speed limit.
Too slow. Too slow.
Oh, that is too funny. That's too funny. All right, so let's get this done.
What?
Oh, it's hot out. Isn't it time for a break?
We haven't even started. Yeah, those are really huge compared to the back ones.
Yeah. Well, we'll jack it up. We'll see. Okay. So, anyways,
Holy crap, those are huge. Sorry.
something I hate getting is my knees down on this freaking pavement.
We don't have the pads for it?
All right. So now we gotta find a place to jack this up on. Jesus Christ. You know what? You're gonna have to put this under the knee body. There's no place here to jack it up. Put it down there. Put it under.
Right here?
Yeah, come. A little more, a little more. A little more. A little more. Tighten up. No, back a bit. Okay, jack it up a bit. You might want to tighten up the handle.
Doesn't the pedal work?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Keep going.
Car's still not off the ground though. What the hell?
Because you're lifting up with the suspension, that's why. You're taking the suspension away from the...
Wow. That's a big suspension. That's a tire that.
Okay, that's good. You're dragging the other tire now.
Okay.
Alright. Oh yeah, plus you also said you had something loose under here too, so we can check that out too, huh? Something was knocking around. Don't know what it was. Not the exhaust, that's for sure. Alright, so let's get the compressor plugged in. Do the videotape. Just don't put your fingers on the sides. Here and here. Cause, well, this one has little holes in it. It's this side.
That one?
Yeah, don't block them with the microphone.
They're put the back glasses of other moron. What do they mean? They don't.
That could be one reason why I use that one. This is the one. This half inch one. Ah. That's better. What?
You said those are calming brake pads?
Economy.
Oh, I heard calming. Oh, calming.
Alright, so there's a look at the pads from the check window. Now probably they need to be changed because as you can see right here they're pretty close. So I mean, since we're gonna probably replace the rotors, we're gonna replace the pads too. Alright, so probably the other side's gonna need the same thing. Doesn't really matter. Change one, you change them both. No, it's okay, I can hold it. I got it for here. It's just when I'm working with my hands, I need somebody to hold it.
You need the selfie arm. That ugly looking prosthetic.
Actually, this actually works quite well. No, so rotors and pads. Go get them.
What kind?
2006 Impala 3.9.
You have no idea either, do you?
Well, how would I know? I could walk in there and look all day for rotors and pads.
Because
In my
you're my master mechanic. You're supposed to know all that.
I'm your master mechanic. Boy, if I'm your master mechanic, you're in a
I'm
lot
in
of
a
trouble.
lot of trouble, yeah.
Okay, so
My car has no tire. How do you want to go get the parts, genius?
there's a Jeep.
They can't come out because the car's in the way.
You
And the,
Bye, guys.
and the truck can't come out.
What do you mean buy? Where are you going?
You were going.
Yeah, we're both going.
Why are we both going?
Oh, make it an adventure.
Both need to.
An
Bye.
adventure.
Adventure
Okay.
for parts.
Do I have my keys? Jeez, those my keys.
No, this is just mine. Your cigarettes are here.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, we'll leave it.
Oh, it's a freaking hot one today, man. Get this done. Tire change, brake change done. There we go. And where's Justin? He's in the house eating. Oh boy. Now we just gotta do an oil change. See how Justin reacts when I tell him he has to clean up everything. He's probably not gonna be happy. Yeah, I'm gonna clean up everything. What? Although he might just do it. He knows that if he wants me to fix his car next time, he'll fix it up and make all that right. Because between you and me, I really don't want to clean all that up.
Anyways,
Okay, you want to clean this up now?
Clean what up?
All that.
What do you mean all that?
Well, I don't need the pneumatic stuff anymore. See, this is what you have kids for. 20 years, I fed this kid, I housed this child, I clothed him.
20 years?
Almost 21 now.
Probably more like, I don't know, 18.
And
I've been working, I've been paying my own food.
when was the last time you bought toilet paper? That's
When's
right.
last time you bought me lunch or supper or anything? Never. I'm gonna buy supper last night.
Okay.
There you go. That pays for the toilet paper I used this month.
This. If only you knew how much toilet paper you used.
I'm fine.
We're joking. Hey, hon.
Mom, that's being mean. Here comes that bus. I want to run.
You're gonna throw me under that bus again, aren't you?
You threw me under the bus on the World Wide Web.
Did I?
You just did. No. I remember the powers when they come give you crap. Oh, what? Like what? Alright, sweetie? You ready, sweetie?
Okay. Enough talk. More work.
Where are you going?
I'm cleaning up.
Oh, you're
Throwing
finished?
toys away.
You're done?
I'm putting my stuff away now.
You're done?
No,
So while
but I still have to get the wraps. So I have to no, leave those out. Those stay out. Somebody need those. Those go in the garbage. That's cardboard.
No.
Yeah,
No, we'll try
the blue side. Whenever doing a brake job, you remove your calipers or anything, always pump your brakes before you put your car in drive.
That's what I
Start it
asked
up.
you what I should do, and you said no.
No, well, because you're not ready to go yet. And that's one piece of fatherly advice I could pass to my son. Because you never want to put a car in drive after a brake job without pumping them, because you ain't gonna stop.
Hey, I destroyed the box.
Oh, look at that! Yeah, yeah, very good, Justin.
You were gonna drive, eh?
I saw you put it in gear before you pumped the
Put it
brakes.
in neutral.
Good. How do they feel? Good?
Same as before.
Yeah? Okay. Well, there shouldn't be a big change just from that. Okay, so turn it around and let's get up on the ramps.
Oh, maybe you want to do an oil change on your truck. Like I should go up on ramps. Mine can't. The other two sides are very heavy. You're just dominating my time. This is mostly your idea. No idea I have for this car with the oil change.
If you guys are wondering what an engine on a 3.9 Impala police interceptor looks like, it ain't nothing special. There you go. That's what it looks like. Wow. But it actually still has some kick to it, you know? Okay, kill the engine.
Sure, with a steak knife or a baseball bat?
Yeah, I saw what you did. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you're killing me. I'm laughing. I'm laughing. Inside, I'm laughing, Justin.
I have a gas pedal. Just let it drive and that gas pedal a little bit.
Keep an eye on it. Well, that's it for me.